class wise. I try to make it class wise that playgroup will be doing this activity, send a sample of the activity, and nursery will be doing the following activities, class wise segregation. Sometimes PTA and nursery club, because of the age factor being almost the same, LKG, UKG be clubbed by this activity. But every event is prior to, I think 10 days or 15 days prior, you get a circular. I'll try to send it at the earliest, like August events, whatever are coming in July only, I will release you. That these are the events, and class-wise what planning has to be done, so that you can inform your teachers accordingly. Now these are the important points for the headmistress. Upcoming event board to be maintained by every last Saturday of the month. Whatever events are scheduled for July, I hope you are getting the board ready. And end of July, the August board should be ready, according to the events. The events are already there in the calendar. There needn't be a circular or anything. You should know that July has this event. You have the exams, best of luck, and you have the event board and all that. Whiteboard to be ready one day before leaving the school with proper quotation, activity of the day, birthday children, and circle time to be mentioned. I got a sample made for you all. All this should be there. The date should be written, the quotation should be there, activity, what is going on for the day should be there, circle time to be there, birthday children names should be mentioned. Media and photograph board to be maintained as per the upcoming event. The photographs should be changed. Try to change them monthly or at least in 2 months. Please change the photograph board. And each photograph or at least 2 or 3 photographs should have a caption also. Just don't paste the photographs and leave them unattended. Without a caption, a photograph has no meaning. Even in the albums, what you put the photographs, the captions should be there. Updated photo album with proper tagging should be kept in the waiting area for the visitors. Now you are asking what the visitors will do, they can see that. And we have that also, creative bulletin also. Did you all receive the creative bulletin? You received the creative bulletin? He said he has dispatched to all the branches. No? Rajawala didn't receive. No. Trollygram didn't receive.
Ma'am, I think आजकल में कुछ missing है. अभी सबने भी message किया schedule I didn't get a mail.
Which message?
That orientation schedule. I didn't get anything last week.
Even yesterday when we were sending it, mails are not going.
We'll check this one. We're not receiving our mails from SC.
Since when
Last week they said.
I said I have mailed.
We don't know.
Okay.
We are not getting any mail. आज मैसेज में बिल भी चेक किया उसमें कोई मेल ऐसा नहीं है.
Which message, ma'am?
Orientation schedule कोई भी मैसेज अगर कोई भी मेल गया है तो we are not aware of that.
No, orientation message I have been sending on WhatsApp only. Orientation
No,
message.
not message, that schedule.
Schedule was sent yesterday on mail.
On mail, but nobody has received it.
मैम तो आपको ग्रुप में भी डालना चाहिए.
ग्रुप में तो है सर, नेटवर्क ग्रुप में डाला हुआ है. It's there. register, circular register, notice for parents, circular registers for the teachers.
This is the record register. Circular register. Any circulars you give to the teachers? Circular register.
Circular register has any circular you send or any duties allotted to the teachers, make sure they sign it.
Circular register. The teachers have to sign it. Whatever. That is different. This is for the teachers.
This is the whiteboard. The date format, the day, date with the ordinal, month and year. No shortcuts to this. Now it will be kept outside. Thought of the day, whatever you want, that is your choice. Do what is right, not what is easy. Nursery, circle time, good habit, LKG, domestic animals. Domestic animals. PG, circle time is vegetables. Happy birthday. The birthday should be there. In case there is no birthday, don't write a name. Don't skip this part. Because parents, when they come to school, this is the thing they see. That today, in case it's a stage activity, you can mention stage activity. We do have once a week stage activity. Role play, whatever is there, is highlighted for the parents that this is what is going on today. Name of children whose birthday is there. The record register, it has the name of student, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, address, mobile number, date of joining. Everything should be filled, no column to be left blank. Form number also. And very innovative idea, so I think in your branch now. They take the picture of the child and the parent also. It does take a little more space, but then it's clear that this is the child. We do take pics from the parents, we take it for the child also. One small video is stuck there, that Akriti Gosai, this is Akriti Gosai, then the second one. Otherwise, it's all the same. And after you fill in one class, leave 2 pages blank. You might get admission, especially in playgroup nursery, I would suggest leave 3-4 pages blank in between. Yes ma'am, it's a new session, new register. You can't continue in the same because the classes change. Then we have the notice for parents. Any notice, any information going to the parents has to be stuck in it.
Maybe some messages we are doing like reminder or something, reopening, that also.
Yes ma'am. In case you are sending just on WhatsApp, you can write over there that on this date, this message was released to the parent. It's your record ma'am. WhatsApp you can delete. Your phone will hang, so messages, but this is your record that on this date, this message was sent to the parents that school is reopening on so and so date. Even if you send on WhatsApp, over there you write with your hand. Barely 2 or 3 lines you have to write.
We can make a soft copy for that. या हम अपने laptop में उसको save कर दें.
Ma'am, that is an option. You can save on laptop, but this has to be maintained. So that when we walk in for any inspection, we know exactly that on this date, this message was sent to the parent. The parents can't say that we are not aware of it. Okay?
Better they will use the ERP, everybody remains on record.
So that is there. Even WhatsApp is there. But this has to be filled in notice for parents register also. Along with the date. If you mention on ERP, message sent on ERP.
If they send it on the diary, that needs to be done. If it is sent in a diary pasted or something, that's fine. Not on the WhatsApp. That will be too many times.
No sir, we don't send so many messages to parents.
Fee reminder, they can make a
Fee
page,
reminder.
just put the date. On this date, I have sent a fee reminder.
That's it.
Make a page for fee reminder. And just enter the date.
Then we have this incident register. Any small incident, please fill it up. Teachers are coming late, you give already given them 1 warning, 2 warning, 3 warnings. Fill in this. Tell them sign it. You explain why you are coming late. Simple things, simple incidents, it has to be recorded. Even with
The teacher has given an explanation. The teacher has given an explanation. This was filled in by the HM and this was the
Then
explanation
we
given
can
by
pass
the
on these things.
And pass it.
Then we have the event register in which any event which you conduct in the school, the event register has a detailed explanation of how the event was conducted, what all you have done for that event, in case you've given any certificates or anything, that also can be mentioned. Here the children were awarded certificates of appreciation. But main record of certificate will go as a certificate register. Then craft register we have all the takeaway samples. They are stuck in that craft register. Stock register. Any purchases about the stock, what is coming in the school, all the entries have to be done there. Cash register, your daily expenses and your whatever cash you are receiving, along with the headings. Stationery register. Each teacher to be allotted a page also in the stationery register. In case they are getting anything issued from you, it can be entered in the teacher's name that she is taking 2 charts, 1 pen, a packet of sketch pen. Whatever you have given to that teacher, the teacher will sign it with the card. Fee record register. This is also class wise. The receipt number, the date of payment and the amount. It comes in the month. Absentees register. Absentees, I hope all are updating on the ERP also. And maintain the absentee register. Make somebody responsible to do the calling to the parents. Admission form 5 mobile. Visitors register is at the gate with the guard. Any visitor walking in, make sure the guard enters the name of the person and the mobile number and the time what they are entering the school premises. Pick and drop register class wise. They are also kept with the guard. When the parent comes to drop the child, they sign. When they come to pick up the child, they sign again. Birthday register. Monthly birthday list is put in the birthday register. From there, I think in ERP also, sir, we get a flash that this child's birthday is today. On the main home page, the name of the child comes whose birthday is there. Then we come to your daily work, what you are supposed to do on a daily basis.